Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to create a cool filling animation using HTML and CSS. So yeah, I've opened CodePen and uh and I want to write some code. So to make this filling animation, we have to start with a div and then make another div inside of it. And then give this div a special ID of container. Oh no, not this. Anyways, so we currently have nothing because we're not really doing anything with the divs. So we have to do something with the divs. We just have to do something. So for the div, I am going to give the div the one that's container, hashtag container. I will give it a width of 20 SVW because I'm a lazy person. 20 SVW. I forgot to add the background color. It's black. And I want it to be a circle, so we set the border radius to 100%. And yeah, we have a circle. Now we want the circle, when we hover over this circle, we want it to look like the circle's being filled up with water. Now, the water that the circle's being filled up with is just going to be like a rectangle, not anything fancy, no waves, no nothing. It's just a rectangle, which makes it relatively simple to make. Which means I can sort of like the div inside the container and give it the same width and height. Give it the same border radius. We want the water to be a rectangle. We don't want to give it the same border radius. And then give it a background color of cornflower blue. Now, but there is a bit of a problem. You see, this div, the water that we want to fill the container with, we want it to be clipping inside of this circle. So I can set the colors again. I could set the overflow to hidden. Makes it so that only the parts that are inside of this circle are going to show. Yeah, okay, we've got this. So what if I increase the height? Oh wait, I meant decrease the height. Yikes! No, I meant increase the height. No, not this. Yikes! 2, 3, 4. So, anyways, what I am going to do is that now I want the circle to look like it is being filled up with water. So I'm going to edit the height of this div and make it so that when this container is hovered over, then the height of the div I can turn to 0. I can set a transition to make it smooth. But this thing is a little bit too fast. So I can reduce the speed. But it doesn't really look like the water is being filled up. It just looks like we're removing the water. So I could do the opposite. No, wait. That's not what I meant to do. I do one side to 10. No, that's not what I meant to do. I'm going to reverse the colors. So I'll set the div's color. So I'll set the div's color to I'll set the div's color to black. And I'll set the container's color to cornflower blue. It's a great achievement, but I don't want it to be filled up. No, I don't want it to be filled up all the way. I only want it to be filled up to some parts. So how do I do that? Well, I can increase this. Now it's only filled up to some parts. Yikes. 5 SVW. And of course, I'm going to give this container a box shadow 0020 px RGBA 0.0.0.5. And also set it to inset because that is good. And I also gave it another box shadow. It's the same thing but not inset. The bit of comma. And I also have to reduce the width and the height. No, not that drastically. Just reduce the width and the height. And then for this container hover div thing, yeah. And now I'm going to center the div. So what I can do is that I can set the body, I can set the display to grid, and then place. I meant to set the display to flex. Justify content center. It's going to center it on the x-axis. And then I could do align item center, but it's not. This is going to be lowercase with all caps. It's not going to work because I need to set a height for this before this can work. So I can set the height to 100 SVH. It's meant to be all caps, but it works for some reason. I will go to color picker again. And I will increase this and copy it and then paste it. Background color. There we go. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel ObaCode. Bye.